You're adopted. I'm sorry.
But I wanted to let you know you're adopted. Are you okay?
You on the street. Yes, we found you on the streets.
You're adopted. I know, I'm sorry, I'm not your real mother. I actually paid for you. I know, I'm sorry.
Are you mad? Oh, you're mad. I'm so sorry.
I'm talking to you. Hey. I'm talking to you though. Okay, I understand. I won't touch your hand.
You're adopted. It's true, I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
You're adopted. Yes, you are adopted. You're adopted. I'm sorry.
You're both adopted!
I said what I said.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
You're adopted. I'm sorry.
I need to tell you that you are adopted.